To display your group number in a Blackboard Collaborate Ultra session, you need to update your Blackboard Collaborate account with the following steps. Inside of your e-learning course, locate and download your group number. And then join an open course room by selecting the Blackboard Collaborate link on your course menu. When the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra page appears, select Course Room and then select Join Course Room. After you have joined the session, select the My Status and Setting icon, and then select your name to prompt the My Settings tab to appear on the right. In My Settings, click on your profile picture. You can then upload your group number. Do not adjust the area to use. Instead, select I like it and then save. Congratulations! Your group number now appears on the attendee list and as your avatar when you're not using the video camera. Because Collaborate remembers your choice, you don't have to do this again from the same device or browser unless you clear your cache. If you have trouble uploading your group number, you can call 866-588-3192 or submit an electronic ticket to elearning@utdallas.edu.